So 3, 2, 1, go. What's up people, a very good morning from the misty mountains of Kodaikanal. Yes, I hope you watched this super beautiful time lapse. I hope it has come out good because the previous one I screwed it up. Anyway, so I really hope that this time lapse has come out good and I'm able to show you guys this beautiful mountains that are there right from our balcony. So yeah, as a motorcyclist, as a rider, it's a regime. The first thing that you do in the morning is come to your bikes, check them out and start them up and warm them up. So I hope every one of you had a good night's sleep.
Oh yeah. Sleep was fantastic.
In fact, these three guys were up early. Ketan तो सुबह कितने बजे 6 बजे उठ गया? 6 बजे उठ के नहा धो लिया. कल बोलता नहीं मेरे को सोने देना और आज तो पता नहीं सबसे पहले उठ के नहा धो के रेडी होके बैठा 2 घंटे से. एंड आई थिंक हिरेन एंड विक्रम उसके बाद उठे एंड वो लोग भी फ्रेश हो गए तो हम लोग भी फ्रेश हुए हैं. थोड़ा बाइक वाइक चालू करेंगे, थोड़ा देखेंगे सब चीज़ अपनी जगह पे है या हिल गई है, क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं है. थोड़ा रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करके हम लोग नाश्ता करने जाएंगे. टुडे इज़ अ रेस्ट डे इन कोडाईकनाल फॉर अस, सो नथिंग मच टू बी डन. सो अभी जस्ट जाएंगे, देन प्रॉब्ली थोड़ी देर के बाद मार्केट चलेंगे. Yes, we have to walk the steep incline. Yeah, we have to walk this steep incline to get to a place where we have a breakfast. Oh man, it's tiring. But the place is serene, isn't it? This place is just so beautiful. So beautiful. All these houses here, they look like weekend getaways for all of these people. Yes, and you guys must have noticed that we guys are not wearing any masks. So please don't raise any stupid questions or comment down below because we guys are equally maintaining distance from other people, and whenever we go into crowded places we make sure that our face is covered. Since there's not many people around here, you can see there's barely the 3 of us walking. Ketan is just coming now. So yeah, that's how we're maintaining that. So we're not wearing our masks, otherwise whenever we go into crowded places we make sure that we wear a mask. This is a beautiful place. I've never experienced Kodaikanal like this before. I've been to this place at least 2 or 3 times. This is probably the 4th time, I think, if I'm not wrong, but yeah, this experience is completely different. It's just out of the world. This is where we'll be having our food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever it is that we want to. I didn't show this place yesterday night because I ended the vlog in the room itself because I was pretty tired and everyone else as well. So we just wanted to sort of chill out for a while and just take some rest out of vlogging also. So I didn't show you guys. If you guys are missing out on content like that, I usually make sure that my Instagram feed is updated with that. So I usually upload stories about all of these things that are not captured on the video. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well. So let's just go inside and see this place. We ordered paneer butter masala, some rice and chapati to go with it, and dal tadka. The food was really good. It was nice. It was spicy. We really enjoyed the food yesterday. And for breakfast, they have South Indian dosa, and we also ordered puri bhaji. So puri bhaji is for all of us. So this is where we're going to be having our meals. So we just finished our breakfast. We had some nice puri dosa, puri bhaji, and it was nice and spicy, and it was just absolutely great. And Mr. Gangadharan that you can see here is the cook also. So thank you so much, sir, for your hospitality. Romba nalla irka. And now it's time for some chai. So let's sip on some chai, and then probably we'll go to the room and relax for a while with a tummy full. There's a nice, beautiful view outside the window. So you guys probably missed seeing all of the adventure yesterday night in the darkness, so you can enjoy the adventure in the pure daylight now. As you can see, we're riding on first gear, maintaining a little bit of distance just in case. Bolero. Oh, this Jeep, okay. Lal Jeep. The sounds are crazy. Oh shit. Riding upwards on this in the night was definitely a nightmare. Yeah. Always give way for uphill vehicles. It's a lot more difficult for them to get up than coming down. Ouch. So this is the marketplace of Kodaikanal. Don't know what area it is, but that's where you get all your stuff, market, chocolates, dry fruits. Alright, so we've just been roaming around the marketplace a little bit here and there, and just came to this place called Swagatam. Swagatam, 100% pure veg.
No, it's closed off.
क्या हुआ? अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट ही बंद हो गया. चलो नसीब ही अच्छा है हमारा. पिज़्ज़ा खाना पड़ेगा. चल विक्रम. विक्रम पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खाना करके ढूंढ रहा था. स्वागतम मिल गया. स्वागतम बंद हो गया. स्वागतम हो गया. अभी विक्रम को पिज़्ज़ा खाना ही पड़ेगा. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. अभी इसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम लोग?
रूम जाके सो
जाएंगे. आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बेस्ट बेट. वैसे ही बहुत बोर मार रहे हैं यार. कुछ करने को मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है अभी. इतना राइड करके ना उसके बाद सच में ऐसा बोर ही होता है. ऐसा लगता है यार छोड़ यार कुछ नहीं करना है. बस बैठे रहो, टाइम पास करो, रिलैक्स करो. कितना बज रहा है अभी? 1:30.
आई थिंक
1:15. यार देखते हैं अभी जाके सीधा खाना वाना खा के अच्छे से फिर होटल में जाएंगे.
There's a lot of crowd in this place. Some pastry corner.
Pastry corner, daily bread. Oh, seriously? Look at that. Seems to be really famous.
तो हम बाइक ही लेके आते ना इधर.
थोड़ा सा ही आगे.
उधर पार्किंग होता तो
पार्किंग नहीं है, मेन रोड पे है ना. The people seem to be really less than general crowd of touristic crowds in these kinds of places because of the pandemic probably, and I don't know what not, but yeah, the crowd is decent, so it's safer for everyone probably. Right, so we just came to Domino's and this place is absolutely empty. We have the entire place to ourselves. I think this is going to be happening a lot on this trip, I guess. I don't know. Even though Rameshwaram where we went, it was like that. Even in the place we're staying in Kodai, it's also the same. So I think all the places, there are very less people. And we have the place to ourselves. So that is pretty good, I would say. Alright, so this is what we ordered. This is the first time that I'm trying Domino's ka tacos. Let's see how this is. Mexicano, Italiano, Tacosano, Pizzano,
you try
Garlic
this.
Bredano.
This is very good. You have, I'm glad that you never tried this. My friend. And this
It's actually
this
pretty
is,
good.
Seasoning is the excellent one, my friend. You come to Mexico, I will show you.
Mexicano. क्या विक्रम अच्छा लगा?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Good, no?
Yeah.
Vikram is happy.
हिरेन का तो फेवरेट है तो उसको पूछना ही नहीं है.
I'm glad that Vikram liked it.
उसी ने सजेस्ट किया कि सब लोग टाकोस खाओ. तू खाया भाई टाकोस?
अच्छा है, बेस्ट है एकदम.
अच्छा है.
सबको खाना चाहिए.
और ये देखो इतनी ठंडी में पेप्सी भी पी रहे भाई
और ये
साहब.
गरीब लोग का खाना है. Only 60 rupees each.
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 Just heading back to our place of stay. We had nice pizzas. So now we'll just go back and relax. As there's nothing much to do, we really don't want to go sightseeing and places to see the valleys. We've already seen that quite a bit, so we'll just take a day off and relax so that the upcoming days we don't feel too stressed out unnecessarily. And the weather is pretty good in terms of chilling and relaxing, so why not take advantage of it, right? It's barely that you get these kinds of times to relax when you're at home and things like that, so that's what we guys are going to do. So this was exactly the road that we were getting so scared of yesterday night, but today it seems pretty easy for some reason. I don't know, maybe because of the daylight we're able to see clearly what is there and what is not there, and also probably because we've already done this route once, so we know where to go from. Hey guys, so finally we just finished our dinner and came back to the room. It's about 8:20 now. We finished our dinner about 10-15 minutes back. We had an early dinner because we're supposed to start early tomorrow, and we really need to clear all this mess that we created yesterday. Since we were staying here for 2 nights, हम लोगों ने सब सामान तहस महस करके रख दिया है. जहाँ जगह मिला वहाँ पे सब लोगों ने बस डाल दिया है ऐसे ही. तो अभी ये सब कुछ समेटना है. एंड लकीली यहाँ पे वॉशिंग मशीन था एंड आई वाज कैरिंग अ लिक्विड डिटर्जेंट, तो वर्कड लिटिल बिट. बट ठीक है, अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हो तो सॉलिड डिटर्जेंट लेके आना, तो वॉशिंग मशीन में आराम से आपके कपड़े भी धुल जाएंगे भाई. राइडर के लिए तो ये मतलब बहुत सही वाला चीज़ है. तो ठीक है, अभी फाइनली आफ्टर एवरीथिंग हमारा बस सब चीज़ पैकअप करना है. पैकअप करके फिर कल सुबह निकलना है वागमान के लिए. वागमान इज़ अबाउट 180 किलोमीटर्स. 5 घंटा कुछ दिखा रहा है, तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं एटलीस्ट 9 बजे से पहले निकल जाए तो 2 से 3 के बीच में हम लोग पहुंच जाएंगे, बिकॉज वहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 नाइट का स्टे है. सो अगर थोड़ा टाइम रहेगा तो हम लोग मतलब वहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा रिलैक्स भी कर सकेंगे. सो दैट इज़ द प्लान. लेट्स होप वी गाइज स्टार्ट ऑफ अर्ली. आई नो आज के व्लॉग में ज़्यादा कंटेंट नहीं था. देयर वाज नथिंग मच वी एक्चुअली डिड टुडे, सो प्रॉब्ली आप लोगों को शायद अच्छा नहीं लगा. अगर अच्छा लगा है देन प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो लाइक and don't forget to subscribe and share. And this is me, Toe Shifter, signing off. Until the next video, ride safe, ride hard, always wear your safety gear, and never forget wearing your helmet. Ciao. Stumps, tree stumps. Bhaiya all is well. Bhaiya all is well.
I have a